Hello everybody, my name is Annie and I will tell you how you can get rid of menstrual cramps fast at home without and going to the clinic or doctor, but you have to consult your doctor if you are experiencing a lot of pain. So the number one home remedy which I use to get rid of menstrual cramps and period pain fast is banana. You take one banana when you are in so much pain. Just take one banana and you will see the magic happen. The second thing which helps in easing menstrual cramps is ginger tea. Take one piece of ginger, a small piece of ginger, and make its tea. Put it in one glass or 1 cup of water and put some sugar, or you can use honey in it, and drink this tea. It will work very fast, and it will ease your menstrual cramps and get rid of and it helps you get rid of the period pain. The third thing which I use is olive oil. Yes, olive oil is very helpful in reducing your period pain, menstrual cramps. How it works is that just take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and preheat it on the oven, or preheat it on the burner, and just apply it on your belly button. Apply the olive oil on your hot don't apply too hot, but apply olive oil on your belly button like this in circular motion. What it does is it helps ease your menstrual cramps. These are the 3 tips which I use to get rid of menstrual cramps, and it will also help you in getting rid of menstrual cramps. So if you like my tips, you can like my video and subscribe and share my video. Thanks.